Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Apple Pay in order to purchase a PS5 game. So you're going to go first to PlayStation Store and you're going to find the game which you want to go ahead and purchase. So let's, for example, I have this Terraria in my cart. Now you want to go to your cart, and once you will be in your cart you will see that your preferred method. So what you need to do is, instead of order and pay, you're going to press those three dots right there and change payment method. After that, you will see your payment methods. You want to go scroll to the right. And here you will see pay with Apple Pay. Press on it. After that, you're going to press on this check mark, press order and pay. And now to pay with Apple Pay, you will need to scan the code with your iPhone. And you can press X to enlarge it and just go ahead and pay. And just like so, you're gonna purchase the game, and after that it will be in your media, in your library. So if this video was helpful guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.